Shadows whisper, screams echo loud. Women in black haunting the crowd. Eyes like fire, so cold and bare, dancing with demons in the midnight air. Torches flicker pale against the night, hell below rising at the sight. Veils of sorrow draped like a shroud, whispers of secrets never allowed. Into the abyss they sing their wail, sirens of doom where angels fail. Hearts of stone poisoned by the shroud, whispers of secrets never allowed. Into the abyss they sing their wail, sirens of doom where angels fail. Hearts of stone poisoned by despair, grasping the void of the abyss they tear. Gather the storms and hurricanes, voices rising, breaking chains. From the depths of misery they rise, unholy queens with burning eyes. Gravestones whisper tales of old, stories of the cursed and bold. Hell's fires burning in their veins, Gothic queens breaking chains.